In the heart of a lush jungle and the sounds of wildlife echo all around, sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. A majestic tiger, with its striking orange coat and black stripes, crouches low among the underbrush. With keen eyes fixed on a nearby herd of deer, the tiger embodies stealth and power. Every rustle of leaves heightens the anticipation, as the jungle holds its breath, waiting for the moment when nature's drama unfolds. As the tiger remains perfectly still, its intense gaze locks onto a lone deer grazing nearby. The soft sound of rustling leaves and gentle snaps of twigs fills the air, but the tiger remains undeterred, focused entirely on its target. Every twitch of the deer's ears and every cautious step it takes heightens the tension. The tiger's body lowers further, its powerful muscles coiled like a spring. Time seems to slow as the deer, unaware of the imminent danger, continues to nibble on tender grass, blissfully unaware of the predator watching from the depths of the jungle. With each passing moment, the tiger assesses the situation, gauging the distance and waiting for the perfect opportunity to strike. The deer lifts its head, sensing something amiss, and freezes for a heartbeat, its instincts kicking in. The tiger's heart races, but it remains emotionless, a master of patience. Suddenly, the deer resumes feeding, lowering its guard. Seizing the moment, the tiger takes a deep breath, muscles tensing in preparation. Then, with a swift, silent movement, it bursts from the shadows, a blur of orange and black, launching into an electrifying sprint towards its unsuspecting prey. The jungle erupts in a flurry of sound as the hunt begins. As the tiger sprints forward, it quickly adapts to the shifting dynamics of the hunt. However, just as it closes in on the deer, a sudden rustle from the underbrush catches its attention. The tiger instinctively halts, its ears perked up and eyes scanning the surroundings. Circling silently, it discovers another potential target, a small group of wild boar foraging nearby. Their bristlebacks and strong bodies present a different challenge, but the tiger's instincts kick in. It moves stealthily, using the dense foliage as cover, each calculated step bringing it closer to the unsuspecting boar. The thrill of the hunt surges as the tiger prepares to make its move once again, now fully focused on this new opportunity. The tiger settles into a low crouch, blending seamlessly with the shadows as it begins the slow, calculated process of stalking its prey. Every muscle is coiled, ready to spring into action. It moves with a grace that belies its size, taking slow, deliberate steps while keeping its gaze fixed on the target. The prey, busy foraging, remains blissfully unaware of the predator lurking nearby. The tiger carefully circles, gauging movements and looking for the weakest link. It pauses, watching as one animal strays slightly from the group, oblivious to the danger closing in. With the moment finally right, the tiger tenses up, heart pounding. In a heartbeat, it bursts from its hiding spot, charging toward its prey with incredible speed. The sudden rush of sound and motion sends the other animals scattering, but the target is now fully aware of the threat. The chase is on, a thrilling clash of instincts in the untamed wild. The tiger takes a moment to reassess, catching its breath as it scans the surroundings for new opportunities. Its keen eyes soon spot a group of graceful antelope grazing in a sunlit clearing. Instantly, the hunt resumes. With a low growl of determination, the tiger begins to move again, adopting a methodical pace as it edges closer. Every step is deliberate, careful not to disturb the leaves or make a sound that could alert the antelope. The lush grass sways gently, providing perfect cover as the tiger inches forward. The antelope, unaware of the predator nearby, continue to graze, occasionally lifting their heads to survey the area. The tiger uses this to its advantage, pausing whenever they look up, remaining perfectly still, until their attention returns to foraging. As the tiger closes the distance, it notes the position of each antelope, calculating the best moment to strike. Spotting a slightly isolated individual, the tiger feels a rush of excitement. With a final, measured breath, it tenses its muscles and prepares to pounce. The thrill of the chase is palpable, echoing through the stillness of the jungle. The tiger takes a moment to regroup, its senses sharp and alert. It prowls through the underbrush, moving gracefully in search of a new target. The jungle is alive with sounds, the calls of birds, the rustle of leaves, but the tiger remains focused, scanning for any signs of movement. As it wanders, the tiger maneuvers around thick trunks and dense foliage, keeping low to the ground. It pauses frequently, listening intently for the soft footsteps of potential prey. The air is thick with anticipation as it explores different paths, the vibrant greenery offering both concealment and a challenge. Suddenly, a flicker of movement catches its eye, a pair of gazelles grazing in a nearby clearing. The tiger crouches instinctively, feeling the adrenaline surge. Carefully, it circles around, using the terrain to its advantage, while remaining out of sight. With each step, the tiger plots its approach, waiting for the right moment to make its presence known. The hunt may have shifted, but the excitement remains, as the jungle holds endless possibilities for the determined predator. As the tiger continues its search for prey, it weaves through the vibrant tapestry of the jungle. Sunlight filters through the thick canopy overhead, casting a warm, dappled glow on the forest floor. The rich scent of damp earth and blooming flowers fills the air, mingling with the sounds of distant birdsong and the rustle of small creatures hidden in the underbrush. The tiger moves silently, each paw carefully placed to avoid breaking the serene stillness. It navigates around towering trees, their trunks draped in lush green vines, and pushes through patches of dense foliage, where ferns sway gently in the breeze. Every now and then, the tiger pauses to listen, its ears flicking toward the faintest sounds. A rustle to the left, a possible snack, a flicker of movement among the bushes, another chance. The jungle is alive with potential, and the tiger remains alert, knowing that each step could lead to its next meal. As it ventures deeper, the landscape shifts, revealing a small clearing where sunlight pours in, illuminating the vibrant colors of wildflowers. Here, the tiger takes a moment to scan the surroundings, heart racing with anticipation. The mix of shadows and light creates a captivating backdrop for the hunt, enhancing the thrill of the chase that lies ahead. In a secluded part of the jungle, two tigers frolic playfully amidst the thick underbrush. Their striking orange coats contrast beautifully with the vibrant greens and browns of their surroundings. As they move, their tails flick and swish, and their playful growls fill the air, echoing through the trees. They pause to groom each other, their tongues rasping gently over each other's fur, reinforcing their connection. The sounds of the jungle continue in the background, birds calling, leaves rustling, while these magnificent creatures enjoy a moment of camaraderie, embodying both the wild spirit of their nature and the tenderness of their relationship. Wandering through the vibrant jungle, the tiger moves with a sense of purpose. Each step is deliberate, paws softly pressing into the rich, damp earth. The air is thick with the scents of wet foliage and blooming flowers, creating a heady mix that sharpens the senses. Then, with a rush of adrenaline, the tiger bursts forth from its hiding place. The deer, caught off guard, reacts instinctively, but the tiger's speed and power are overwhelming. In a heartbeat, it closes the distance, leaping forward with impressive agility. The tiger pounces, aiming for the deer's flank. The powerful strike connects, and the hunt reaches its thrilling climax as the tiger secures its meal, a testament to the raw beauty and instinct of nature in action. As the tiger continues its exploration through the lush jungle, it suddenly catches a glimpse of movement in a nearby clearing. Peering through the dense foliage, it spots a herd of deer grazing peacefully, their graceful forms illuminated by dappled sunlight. The sight is mesmerizing, dozens of antlers glinting, their soft fur shimmering in the golden rays. The tiger's instincts sharpen at the sight of so many potential targets. It crouches low, blending seamlessly with the shadows of the underbrush, its body coiling with anticipation. The air is thick with tension as the tiger observes the herd, noting the different positions of the deer and the rhythm of their movements. With a calculated approach, the tiger begins to circle the clearing, using the terrain to its advantage. Each step is measured and silent, as it moves around the perimeter, waiting for the right moment to strike. The deer remain blissfully unaware, focused on foraging, occasionally lifting their heads to scan for danger but quickly returning to their meal. With the moment finally right, the tiger prepares to pounce, adrenaline surging as it readies itself for the chase that is about to unfold.